Hi guys, in this video I will be doing the unboxing of Stanley Cordless glue gun. I bought this from Amazon at around 1000 rupees. It's a 25-watt cordless glue gun. The product comes with a 6 months warranty provided by the manufacturer from the date of purchase. This glue gun works like any other glue gun if we are using it with the cord. And once fully charged, the glue gun can be used without the cord for about 10 to 15 minutes. It comes with a 1.7-meter long sturdy cable. This model supports 12mm glue sticks and it only takes about 2 to 3 minutes for the glue gun and glue sticks to heat up. I also bought these glue sticks from Stanley. These are 12mm dual temperature glue sticks made for this glue gun. It's a pack of 6 and it will cost you around 80 rupees. This glue gun has a unique trigger feed mechanism. This ensures the glue to flow only when the trigger is pressed. This will avoid wastage of glue when not in use. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.